Hello folks, this is ScottyMont. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the windshield washer fluid nozzles on your first generation Toyota Tundra. A quick shout out to JDM Driveway. The only tool you'll really need is a needle nose pliers. Pictured here are the two nozzles on top of your hood. These are the ones that I use to replace them. Got this suggestion from JDM Driveway. You will need two of these. It's important to note that the push tabs on these are in the front and on the back. That way you'll know where to put your needle nose pliers. Otherwise you really can't see where those push tabs are. These are the old spray nozzles. This is the inside of the truck, how they look. I have one spraying over the top of the truck. Under the hood, this is where the nozzles are. So you're going to twist the hose gently. Just twist it off the nozzles. Remove both of the old nozzle hoses, just like that. Pull them off. Then take your needle nose pliers and reach up in there. Push on those two tabs, and as you do that, with your other hand, you're going to pull the nozzle up out of the top of the hood. I'm just demonstrating here to show you how it's done. Take the new nozzles, push them in. You'll hear a click. That's how you'll know they're in correctly. Then you take the hoses and you twist them right back on just like you twisted them off. And this is what the new spray looks like instead of the single stream. Now you'll have to take something flat and you can adjust them just the way I'm showing here. Now here's what it looks like with them adjusted. Covers the entire windshield with the spray. Looks great. This is how it looks on the inside. Thanks for watching, folks.